here it is. So now we're gonna start building it up. We clean the car. As you can see, the dashboard is being stripped completely, all the stuff on it, and then you can see the roof as well, that's been stripped. So now we're gonna put the seat belts. The seat belts used to be black, but of course we changed them to the yellow color, same as the car from outside. So this is the state of it from inside at the moment. A lot to do on the car, but it's very enjoyable. Of course the calipers has been done as well, pale yellow, same as the car from outside. That's how it looks when we put the wheel on. Yeah, even the roof was Alcantara, and that bit as well is Alcantara. And then you can see the stitch here. It's amazing. The guy who done it for us is proper professional. Look at the beauty. Even these two is been painted as well. That is being painted. So this is white leather, and we choose the Alcantara. even that they put it back for us as well, the detailing, so to make it like original. Here we go. Now we're putting the roof and the lights and the switches, so it's not finished yet, but here you go, the windows.
Yes, so
Putting it on the car with the back one with a new rubber seal.
Lovely. Let's get that pin mark off.
Of course, we got genuine. The rubber seal goes around the window. Thank you very much, guys. Here you go. We got brand new, genuine quarter glass from main dealer from Nissan group. So we need to open the boxes now and then to see the quarters, how they look like. Go. So these the pedals, R34 GTR R34, genuine from Nissan. So the way we doing it, it's the effort we're putting and the money we're spending on the car is just crazy. Every single part we're putting, we're making sure that's gonna be genuine so the car will look absolutely amazing. So the detailing as well, we going into it. I know it sounds a bit crazy, but that's how it's supposed to be. When you're gonna have proper car, spending money on it has to look perfect, amazing. So this is basically pedals under your feet. It costs nearly £250. So Mr. Ibrahim, the way he's doing that car, that's gonna be special car. I'm telling you guys, you will see it once we put them on. Here you go, these are the bits of pieces now. Most of it has been painted, color coded. All these bits and pieces, the bumper goes on it, has been painted, as you can see. These are genuine from the Nissan group. That goes on the top of the seal panel when you open the door. This being color coded was black. The headlights being tinted, they look absolutely amazing. We have tinted that on the middle bit as well. Those lights about 3 grand. Oh my god. You've seen me how I stripped the mirror on the other video, so now we have to put it back together. These pieces, that's the kit for the front bumper. That's from Nissan as well, or genuine. This for the middle, and this goes on the side of the bumper, of course, front bumper. And this is the front bumper. We need to build it. That's the diffuser splitter. We color code it as well. That has to go back as well. So we will definitely show you how it's gonna look like. So basically what we're facing now, the problem is it's between the bumper and the inner quarter. So we're trying to put the GTT one. Of course it won't fit, it will look completely different. So we found the Nissan and then we asked them if they got it. So basically, unfortunately, there is no availability in UK from Nissan, so it has to be back order. So I decided to do a one handmade, which is we have done that bit. We've got a piece of plastic and I shape it and we cut it, and then when we fit it, it looks absolutely perfect. So we shape it, we put it in the holes. So what we need to do now is the other side. So basically if we put the clips here, that's it. That's how it's gonna be. Look, exactly same the genuine one. And this is a flat, so any water, any mud goes into it, it will slide straight away down. So basically that's a piece of plastic, so that piece it gonna look like that piece. That's for the other side, which is offside. This is the near side I've done, so I have to do the offside now, and then you will see how it's gonna look. So basically what I've done, shape it, and now I cut it, and that's it. So basically the offside is gonna be easier than the near side because we had the template already. So now we're just gonna cut it and shape it. Here it is. This is the inner mud cover, the one we have made. It's been installed the right place, and that's how it's look.